entered Pisay?
2001.
2001.
June 1, 1999.
2004.
2004.
What are the major differences at CMC from then and now in terms of curriculum and establishments?
Back then was an old curriculum, not K-12. So, pag-transfer dali sa CMC, sa MCC nga time, first year to fourth year. So 4 years lang. Then after mga sometime dali, nag-K-12 na tayo. And the laboratory equipment and the buildings. So when we transferred, there were 2 buildings with plywood lang. Hindi siya finished na building. One lang siya more like squatter.
Sa Mindanao Civic Center. Now, it's an academic institution with all the facilities.
Infrastructure, we have our own building, we have our own school, we have our own dormitories, boys and girls, we have canteen. Before, wala may canteen.
It has big difference because sa establishment, of course, we have a lot of buildings now, nice classroom, laboratory, landscape, nice gym. So it's very different than MCC because MCC will have the facilities. And curriculum is, I think, almost the same, but upgrade, updated na topics, but basically andun pa rin yung basic in terms of computer subject.
Next question. So what was CMC like back when it was still in Togon?
It was unique, it was challenging, nakakatawa. Why nakakatawa? Because our classes are just in the bleachers. There were times that yung mga materials ko lumipad ang dahil sa hangin. Because it's an open classroom. Yung mga estudyante din nakakasaya ang kanilang mga experiences when they share their experiences. Their life in
Magito siya ng tubod. Pero at the time, mas favorable siya sa PEB. Ano, kay sports complex man siya. So of course, ang mga classroom, ang mga PE, ang mga facilities,
Life there is very struggle because we don't have a nice classroom and as well as the laboratory.
Mga building, mga building. Sa una na, nangabang kami. Ayun mga gamit na yun.
Next question. So what aspects of CMC have stayed the same throughout the years?
I think the culture. Because like the science camp and the SAS na activities, still the same until karon. The faculties were included in the Amazing Grace. So ang difference lang kay ang location.
I think it's the culture. Yeah. You always strive for the best in everything that you do. Pag-treat mo sa mga students. Not just a simple care, but you nurture them. Closeness of the teachers, the culture of excellence.
So, ma-evolve man ang process, ma-evolve po ka ng mga tao. Though mo-age ka, pero we learn a lot from the mistakes from the past.
I think the unit camaraderie.
And in terms sa, butangan ko sa estudyante, no? Wala siya difference. Isa pag sa 9th generation gap galing sa between sa generation of sa taon na wala. The same lang yan po ng karang ma-agree sa
Last question. In your opinion, what is the biggest improvement of CMC?
Physical facilities and laboratory equipment.
The building, the facilities, convenient classrooms, availability of equipment, ang flow sa mga processes is very organized, systematic.
I'm Professor Pisay CMC, Quant Infrastructure.
A lot improvements in terms of buildings, classrooms, in terms of the teachers. So most of the teachers they have already masters. They achieve higher achievements now. That's what achievements, and we have bigger population, students and teachers. So almost everything here in Pisay has a difference, big difference than before.
Thank you, sir.